an insidious and poisoned dragon from Komodo Island. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard in the world. These wild dragons typically weigh about 154 pounds, but the largest verified specimen reached a length of 10.3 feet and weighed 366 pounds. Males tend to grow larger and bulkier than females. Komodo dragons are extremely important to the ecosystem of the islands they inhabit. Komodo dragons are at the top of the food chain in their habitat. Without them, populations of the animal on which they prey would become too large, thereby diminishing the resources of those lower on the food chain. Komodo dragons, or Komodo monitors, are the largest, heaviest lizards in the world, and one of the few with a venomous bite. These stealthy, powerful hunters rely on their sense of smell to detect food, using their long, forked tongues to sample the air. Protein fragments in the blood of Komodo dragons have antimicrobial properties that help them resist toxic bacteria, and they could be used to develop new drugs to counter antibiotic resistance, researchers have found. This giant lizard is considered one of the most dangerous animals in the islands of Indonesia, and it's been spotted preying on many animals, and among the videos that were filmed, this documenting a giant Komodo dragon attacking a deer on Komodo Island. The dragon bit the deer from different parts of his body, but the deer kept trying to escape while limping and in pain. The Komodo dragon was still chasing the deer. This beast is very fast, with a speed of up to 20 kilometers per hour. In the end, it was able to catch its prey and drop to the ground, then bite it from the neck in order to kill it and eat it later. If the Komodo notices that its prey is small and can be swallowed, it enters its mouth and pulls it inside. But if it's certain that it's large, it cuts it and eats as other predators do with their prey. Komodo attacks the bull and bites it from the legs or from the head, and it rarely overcomes the bull during the direct confrontation. Komodo waits for the poison to spread in the body of the bull and keeps chasing it for several miles, relying on its strong sense of smell. And when the animal collapses and becomes unable to move, the Komodo dragon comes to devour him. Studies have shown that the venom of the Komodo dragon is similar to the venom of snakes when it bites its victims, causing them shock and preventing their blood from coagulating. It was known until now that deadly bacteria in the mouth of this giant carnivorous lizard contribute to the killing of its victims, and that these lizard glands contain a poison that causes shock to the victim, increases blood flow, and reduces blood pressure. When it comes to small prey, the Komodo dragon preys on it, or bites it and stays close to it, waiting for the poison to be released and then eating its meal, just as this Komodo did with the wild boar. In the video, which was posted on the internet, we see a Komodo dragon opening its large mouth to try to bite a leopard, while the leopard appears to be in self-defense and tries to avoid the attacks of the ferocious beast. One bite from this lizard is enough to kill a cheetah over time, or enough to kill any other animal. This is why the Komodo dragon can be considered one of the most dangerous and powerful animals on Earth.